Imagine being able to solve the world's most complex problems while remaining in a state of perfect, unshakable calm. Your left brain fires at the speed of light, processing data like a quantum computer, while your right brain exists in permanent zen, the ultimate flow state that athletes and artists spend years trying to achieve. These aren't fictional superhumans. They're the theoretical gamma-alpha humans, and they would be the most balanced yet paradoxical beings ever to walk the earth. Meet the calm geniuses. Smash that like button if you're ready to explore the most perfectly balanced neurological split imaginable. Here's the setup. Gamma waves, blazing at 30 to 100 Hz, represent peak cognitive performance, laser focus, and rapid information processing. Alpha waves, flowing at 8 to 14 Hz, govern relaxed awareness, creative flow states, and effortless concentration. Now imagine humans where these frequencies are perfectly separated. Pure gamma analytical fire in the left hemisphere, pure alpha zen flow in the right. The result? Beings who could crack the code of reality while never breaking a sweat. Meet Jordan, our hypothetical gamma-alpha human. Here's what makes them extraordinary. The left hemisphere. Gamma dominant. Jordan's left brain is a relentless problem-solving machine. Processes language, logic, and data at superhuman speed. Makes instant connections between complex concepts. Operates with laser-focused intensity on analytical tasks. Functions like a biological supercomputer with unlimited processing power. The right hemisphere. Alpha dominant. Meanwhile, Jordan's right brain exists in permanent flow. Maintains effortless awareness of spatial relationships and patterns. Processes emotions and creativity with perfect balance. Never experiences stress, anxiety, or mental fatigue. Operates like a Zen master in eternal meditation. The result? Jordan would be the ultimate paradox, someone who could solve climate change equations while remaining as calm as a Buddhist monk in deep meditation. How would gamma-alpha humans actually behave? Picture this. The pressure-proof genius. During a crisis, while everyone else panics, Jordan's left brain rapidly calculates thousands of variables and solutions, while their right brain maintains perfect emotional equilibrium. They deliver world-saving insights with the same calm tone you'd use to order coffee. Nuclear meltdown, stock market crash, climate catastrophe. Jordan just calmly presents the optimal solution. Effortless expertise. Jordan could debug complex code, solve mathematical proofs, or design revolutionary technologies, all while appearing completely relaxed. Their alpha-wave right brain would prevent the mental fatigue and stress that normally comes with intense cognitive work. They'd be like those annoying classmates who ace every test without ever seeming to study. The bicameral balance. In James's bicameralism theory, one hemisphere would speak to the other. For gamma-alpha humans, their hyperactive left brain would constantly generate insights and solutions, while their Zen-like right brain would calmly evaluate and integrate these ideas without emotional reaction. It's like having a genius and a sage perfectly collaborating in one mind. A world with gamma-alpha humans would be transformed. The unflappable leaders. These individuals would become the ultimate decision-makers. Imagine political leaders who could analyze complex global issues with superhuman intelligence while never losing their cool under pressure. They'd negotiate international treaties with the analytical precision of a chess grandmaster and the emotional stability of the Dalai Lama. Revolutionary problem solvers. Every major challenge, from pandemics to poverty to space exploration, would have calm, brilliant minds working on solutions. Jordan could spend 18 hours straight, developing breakthrough technologies while remaining as refreshed and balanced as someone who just finished a relaxing vacation. The teaching revolution. Imagine learning from someone who could break down the most complex concepts with perfect clarity while maintaining an aura of calm that makes everyone around them feel at peace. Gamma-alpha humans would be the ultimate educators, brilliant enough to understand anything, Zen enough to explain it without frustration. But this perfect neurological balance would create unique problems. The uncanny valley effect. Normal humans might find gamma-alpha individuals deeply unsettling. There's something unnerving about someone who remains perfectly calm while discussing nuclear war or solving impossible problems. People might perceive them as emotionally detached or even inhuman. The motivation. Paradox. With their right brain in permanent alpha flow, Gamma alpha humans might lack the anxiety and urgency that drives most human achievement. Why rush to solve world hunger when you're already in perfect contentment? Their Zen state could actually reduce their drive to use their incredible analytical abilities. Emotional disconnect. While they'd understand emotions intellectually through their gamma wave analysis, they might struggle to truly feel emotional connections. They'd be the friend who could perfectly analyze why you're upset, but might seem oddly detached from your actual pain. Could gamma alpha humans actually exist? The neuroscience is intriguing. Flow state research. Studies show that alpha waves are crucial for flow states. That magical zone where athletes perform impossible feats and artists create masterpieces. Permanent alpha waves in the right hemisphere would mean living in perpetual flow. Gamma and genius. Research links gamma waves to moments of insight. Aha! Experiences and peak cognitive performance. A left hemisphere locked into gamma would essentially be trapped in permanent genius mode. The meditation connection. Advanced meditators show increased alpha activity during practice, while maintaining enhanced gamma activity during cognitive tasks. Gamma alpha humans would represent the ultimate evolution of meditative consciousness combined with analytical prowess. Bicameral implications. In Jaynes's theory, the bicameral mind involved one hemisphere guiding the other. Our gamma alpha humans might experience their analytical left brain generating rapid insights, while their Zen right brain serves as a perfectly calm, wise counselor, never judging, always accepting, eternally balanced. Here's the profound realization. Gamma alpha humans might represent the answer to humanity's greatest challenge. We live in an age of information overload, constant stress, and analysis paralysis. We have more data and computational power than ever before, but we're burning out from the pressure. What if the next stage of human evolution isn't about getting smarter or calmer? What if it's about being both simultaneously? Gamma alpha humans would prove that you don't have to choose between peak performance and inner peace. They demonstrate that the highest intelligence naturally emerges from a foundation of emotional balance. Maybe enlightenment isn't about transcending analytical thinking. Maybe it's about perfecting it while remaining perfectly at peace. These beings wouldn't just solve our problems. They'd show us that the solution to human suffering might be becoming brilliant enough to understand everything while remaining zen enough to accept it all. So here's my question for you. What would change in your life if you could maintain perfect calm while thinking at your absolute peak? Would you be more creative, more productive, more at peace? Drop a comment and let me know. Are you more of a gamma person who gets stressed by overthinking, or more of an alpha person who stays calm but maybe doesn't push yourself analytically? And what would you do with gamma alpha powers? If this vision of balanced human potential inspired you, subscribe for more explorations into the extraordinary possibilities hiding in our brains. And remember, every time you find yourself stressed about a problem, ask yourself, what would a gamma alpha human do? The answer might just change everything.